So, hi everyone, it's me, Denny Daniel, and I'm here with
Lauren
and
John.
And they came to see the Museum of Interesting Things, and they saw everything, and we found out that Lauren was a suffragette, which is very cool, and actually has suffragette blood. Your, what was her name?
Cora Week.
Cora Week was actually a suffragette, so that's cool. And she's wearing the suffragette colors, so clearly you're a suffragette, so it worked perfectly. So I've got these 3 little bits over here, envelopes, and they're going to open one of these envelopes, each one of them, and see an interesting thing from the museum, a new acquisition. Now I do this like a 40-second street shell game. I mix them up like this. The only difference is there isn't a quarter under any of them, so you don't win a quarter. I mix them up like that, and then are you guys confused?
Quite.
Yeah.
Because otherwise I would have to do that all day. Okay, so pick an item, any item. And then if you need scissors, there you go. And there you go. I always hear the Mission Impossible theme behind me whenever I open a package, or somebody else.
So are these people that...
Most of the time I purchased it, sometimes they're donations.
Oh, wow.
I've gotten a lot of donations from people.
Picture of Napoleon.
Oh my God, you opened a picture of Napoleon?
That's very cool.
How cool is that? Wow. I was sure you would have opened a suffragette picture. And this is...
Did you know it was in the inside?
No, I mean, now that I got this, I got it ages ago too, no less. I think this may be a radium postcard, but I'm not sure. Let me use these scissors to try to cut it open a little better. Yes.
Oh, it is about suffrage.
Oh my God, that's so funny. So this is an actual radium postcard, and the radium postcards used radioactive material. So this was tinted with radioactive material. So that's an actual radioactive. There you go. You can touch that. Regret that, huh? And that's funny that you opened up. Now, I noticed that in this package opening thing. 80% of people open a package that has to do with their personality.
Is it radioactive?
It's written in French.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So you're French.
Yeah.
But also, what often sometimes happens is like it's very low percentage, but 5% when it's like a couple, it'll switch, like Trading Places. You know that movie, and we've had a few of them where it's like. She opens up the one he would have opened, and he opens up. So you opened the suffragette one with the doggy, even though she's the suffragette.
That makes me
Napoleon.
Okay,
And that makes you Napoleon.
Okay.
Clearly, the flip has happened a couple of times where it's like a clear flip. And I was sure you were going to open up a suffragette because I knew I'd bought a few things. So yeah, that's really funny. And then I guess you would be radioactive Napoleon, radioactive Napoleon, or Napoleon Dynamite.
Or that too.
Which you could maybe if you grew your hair crazy, you'd be Napoleon Dynamite. But that's a really cool one, and a doggy one. I've been waiting for someone to open this one. I've got a cat one. I've got a whole bunch of other things, but I haven't opened the dog one yet. So I'm kind of glad that one finally got opened. But those are cool ones to open. So yay!
Good wishes for 1911 to my dear friends.
Wow.
Mm.
Well, with Napoleon, good wishes.
Yeah. I don't know why they chose Napoleon.
Can you speak French? I don't.
So we'll say goodbye to these guys. Bye, everyone.